do you reckon, like I know that on your webpage, you've got a how to win GABS People's Choice. Have you gone through that lately and gone, yep, this is still the way to do it, or
Like
do you reckon...
update it for...
Yeah, but like even just to think about it, like the craft beer industry's changed so much, obviously.
Yes.
Do you reckon the GABS has changed as well, like the landscape, because a lot more people are more educated and winning that beer is a lot more different, right?
It's actually really... I need to go back and read that, to be fair, because there's certainly something to win people's choice that you need to do. Most of all is sort of like doing... GABS has really turned into this sort of like extreme beer fest.
Yeah.
And
it doesn't need to be, it can just be a different
Well, exactly. But the thing is, though, is that when you're doing paddles, you've only got a little sort of 50ml shot.
Yep.
So you've really got to impress people.
Yeah. And if your beer is a 2 or 3 mouthful impression beer...
Well, the hard part is the aroma, right? Because if you only got 50ml, you've got to pack a lot of aroma in.
And it's a very open cup.
Exactly, and full, and that sort of thing. And so you've really got to make it happen, make sure that the beer does what it says on the tin as well. You know, like 2019 Crummer Valley Great Bubblegum Sour.
Yeah.
Did exactly what it said on the
100%.
tin. Everyone loved it. It delivered on its promise, and that's what got people to vote for it.
Yeah.
You know, and
if you were going to brew a GABS beer now, what would you do?
Oh shit! Wow. Oh, what a question. That's an excellent question, Nancy. Because I actually haven't really thought about that. I think that I would probably... I think there's a lot to be said that we haven't gone down the path of fruit.
Yep.
Right? You know, we've had raspberry Pilsner from Bacchus win People's Choice before and that sort of thing. And right now what's popped into my mind is banana.
Yeah, okay.
You know? And to sort of get some real hardcore banana into a beer, banana and chocolate even better.
Yep.
Do something like that. I think you're doing right. Although Aether have done their Banoffee beer as well.
Oh yeah, I haven't tasted that yet, but I really want to get over that.
I haven't tried it yet either. I might go and say hi and that sort of thing. But yeah, something like that is kind of what if you know, just random.
Yeah.
Make up something
Put
on
you
the
right
spot.
on the spot, didn't I?
Banana.